If you're playing GTA Online and want to increase your health and body armor, don't worry. This will help you survive longer during missions, PvP fights, or heists. Here's how to do it step by step. First, purchase body armor. Go to Amu Nation stores across Los Santos and Blaine County. Buy light, medium, or heavy armor depending on your budget. Equip it from your inventory before heading into combat. Next, use snacks and food. Carry snacks like chocolates, soda, or snacks in your inventory. These restore health gradually during missions and firefights. Now, regenerate health naturally. Stand still or take cover when your health is low. GTA Online gradually regenerates health over time when you're not in combat. After that, upgrade your apartment or bunker. Purchasing an apartment with a medical station or safe house allows faster recovery and access to snacks or armor before missions. Also, equip protective gear in vehicles. Armored vehicles provide additional protection during missions and PvP encounters. Finally, participate in missions and events. Some events provide temporary boosts or health packs, which help maintain full health and armor. Once done, you'll have higher survivability and be ready for tougher challenges in GTA Online.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.